So guys, ngayon po guys, maglalaro tayo ng natural disaster. Ito na po, magsisimula na po agad kami. Nakakalaro ko lang po nito. Bili na kayo, bili na. Mabili ka po. Ano pong bibili nyo? Imik na po. But what's more interesting is an early sketch about a character that has a sense of humor and a man called Romeo, where the two was constantly bitter because of their differences. This dynamic was later used in One Piece, Zoro and Sanji's fighting. So it's interesting to think that their arguing was originally meant to be from an Eastern versus Western attack, while Ryuma would end up actually appearing in One Piece as a character. Romeo would be reworked into a gunslinger called Naruto, then he would change to a martial arts chef, and since then... Tataas na ako, wala ka dyan. Hatlog ka pa dyan, wala ka. Nagluto pa ng sarili mong hotdog. Kasi wala akong hotdog, wala naman akong aso. Ang taas ni Boy. Boy, matutumba to. Sigurado. Ayo, sigurado matutumba to. Akashi, save mo ako. Right. Ba't kaming namatay? Hey, lupet. May natira pa doon. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Apat lang po yung natira. Sige, magtulakan kayo. Oh, may naglimilipad pa doon. Porno from 1995 used to play Cyborg that slightly resembles 24,000 and apparently the girl used to leave blood cameo in every sketch you see. And then Tsunami. Watcha! Uy, wala, muntik na. Ay, tatlo na lang ba? Apat yun kanina eh. Pakarga. Ay, nalaglag. Ay, hindi nalaglag. Ba, ang lupit nyo ah. Uy. Hey, dito na kami. Hoy, tangke. Akin to. Yes. Akin to. Ay, tumalsik. Aray ko. Yaw dito bababa. Tulungan niyo po ako. Tumambling ako. Aray ko. Nasa loob po ako. Tulungan niyo po ako dito. Ay, nako. Ay, sumakay. Hala. Aray ko. Yun. Aray. Yun yung baga. Maalis na ako dito. Hindi na yung Ronaldo. Oh, punta na kayo sa volcano. Ay, nakapunta na lang kasi. Ay, naku. Uy, nakapunta ako dito sa volcano. Nakapunta ako dito sa pinakataas. Ay, kaya to? Cry. Mainit nga. Init nga talaga. Super init. An apple a day saves the day. Huh? Here, yan. Yun. Abot dito yung laba. Ay, bigla ko dumalaglag.
Patay. Tumba pa. Malas naman. Tigil na. Tigil na yung volcano. Volcano. Oh! Uy pa ako. Balik ako. Balik ako dun. Ulyo. Hello kayo. Hello. Wamungas. Buhay. Pati ako kasama. What happened to me? Ano yun? Bago yata yan eh. Baka dyan nakakapunta. Hindi ako dyan nakakapunta. Kaya hindi ko to alam. Yun, lighthouse. I want to go to the lighthouse. Go. Saka isa-isa tayong bababa. Uy, kamukha ko to ah. Wala. Kaya na yan, malaglag. Basta makaakit ako, good na. Yes! Hilaw. Dito lang ako para mainitan ako. Kasi magkakabagyo oh. Kasi pwede lang ako dito sa taas. Protektado ako dito.
Especially if it's Shanks the first off, replaced by Garth, and then staying back at the last minute. After Romance moves, there are three sketches that exist with one team for
Ito. Ano nangyari? Itong yung bubong. Oh, no one. Hindi niya ako nakikita. Oh. Ay! Kasira na. Kayo kasi, ang lilikot nyo eh. Ang bigat kaya nung sumakay. Taba-taba niya. Maikon, tumago ka. Tama, mamamatay ka dyan. Hindi ako tumago. Aray ko. Plus one hit. Aray ko. Sino nagpatalsik sa akin? Hello? Who are you? Ba't ka puro red? Wala ka dyan? Kapatakot ka? Oh, ilaglag silang lahat. Ilaglag ko dito. Ilaglag yan. Ako yung malalaglag eh. Oh, nalaglag na. Oh. No! Dead and arrival. Rest in peace. Oh, hello. Hindi rin tatalon.
Baldi's Basics is a game that I'm sure most of you are familiar with. For those who aren't,
Dali. Ako dapat mauna.
style educational game. It blew up after its release in 2013 and involves a teacher named Baldi chasing around a school with his backpack.
Ba't mo ako kinulong?
This year, Baldi's Basics turns
Takas ako dito.
which is a fact
Kasi ako dyan.
comfortable with. But despite how
Hey!
long it's been around, it doesn't take me telling you
Nakatakas ako.
it hasn't been in the spotlight for nearly 10 years. At this point, the game's been mostly forgotten about,
Aray!
despite being still in active development. What happened? How did
Help.
we all
Anong
collectively
help?
forget about this game?
Hindi na pwede
In
mag-help.
this video, we're going to take a retrospective look back at Baldi's Basics through the years, and at the end, we'll try to answer that very question. It became increasingly more common for people to own computers in their home. As a result,
Isa tayong tatakas dito. Huwag mo kong iiwan.
became widespread. Within the context
O, patakasin na ito. Takas na boy. Dito. Boy. Ay, naku ka dyan. Ano pa ba yung nakakulong? Ay, naku ka. Uy, 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 uy. May nakakulong pa eh.
Decided it would be transformed into a comic game. The game taught math, spelling, and reading, and also had
Dali,
an
dali,
outside
dali.
playground area where different puzzle minigames could be played.
Inmate, hello? Sino pong makausap sa akin? Wala. Dito na salam ko.
In fact,
Oh, may nakakulong ba ba? Wala na. Okay, wala na. Baliw. Ano pala yung volcano? Oo, may na-trap, may na-trap, may na-trap. Hindi kita, Crash. I will save you. No! Ooh! Eh, yoo! Kapit ko talaga. Oh, sumabog pa yan. Oh, lipad-lipad pa. Ay, aray ko. Pati ako lumipad. Up, up. Giling-giling. Giling-giling-giling-giling.
the development school for the DSI, known as the Computer. It was a rather
Last office.
on the first
Uy, ganda yata yan.
from that point forward.
Let's go. The rooftop.
Fast forward to March of 2018, Mike decided to join a game camp.
Sinasama sa akin. Ito kayo. Sumama kayo sa akin.
For those unfamiliar with the concept of a game jam, it's
Huwag kayong matatakot. Kasama niyo ako. Pares-pares tayo dito mamamatay.
In this specific instance, the goal was to
Up, kami mauna. Kami mauna. Kami nauna. Dito sa taas. Panalo kami. Basagin. Pag doon nabasag, bulag-bulag ako. Sigurado. Oh, kidlatan nyo kami dito. Kami dito na una. Bahala kayo dyan. Flood. Bahala kayo dyan. Harangan nyo. Harangan nyo yung hagdan. Harangan nyo. Kami lang dapat yung nandito. Nagpapahabol ako doon sa flood. Up.
After answering the questions correctly, Baldy rewards you with a quiz, teaching you about the inventories and item collection.
Hello.
If you try to so you have to go
Who am I? I'm dead. Hello, kalbo. Ba't ako nagbaba? Ano ba yung naisipan ko? Op, ano to? Ako maakyat dyan.
After getting the question wrong, Baldy's expression in the corner turns to anger, and he leaves behind one of several preset messages giving you a hint that something has gone terribly wrong. A slapping noise can now be heard in the distance, slowly closing in on your location. If you exit the room and look down the hall, Baldy is chasing you.
Dito na pala tayo.
The slapping noise that you hear is actually
Dito na naman ako. Nag-uupo na naman ako. Uy, akin na itong upuan ko.
navigate the school and use items and strategies.
I'm alright here. I'm alright.
The problem is that every single notebook has
So guys, dito ko na po itatapos ang video. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye!